Right, so now my phone is paired to the vehicle. Show me how to make a call.
Well, just touch the phone icon on the home screen here.
Okay.
And then you've got a number of ways to access your contacts via the contacts list, recent calls, keypad entry, or you could use voice control. Now, if you want to use the voice control, press the voice button on the steering wheel, and that will activate the system.
This one right here?
That's right. Now, commands will be both read out by the system and displayed on the touchscreen. You can say or touch phone to display a list of commands. Wait for the tone to sound, and then you say or touch the command. And touch and hold the voice button to just end the session.
Okay, so when I actually do it and I push that, really the car guides me through the process.
It really does.
Okay, so what about all my contacts from my smartphone? Because I know when I pair the phone, it gives me that as an option.
They're all right here. Now, to search for a contact in your phone book, touch Contacts right there.
Okay.
Nice. Now, you can select a contact in one of two ways, by searching the list or by entering a name. Now, if you want to search the list, use the scroll arrows to move up and down through the contacts. Here we go. Okay. Or you can just swipe the screen.
So it's just all very familiar, isn't it?
It really is.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
All right, so let me just run through it. So I just touch the contact to select it. And then to find a contact by name, I enter the name of the contact onto the touchscreen's keyboard. Now, I'm guessing if I touch recent calls, that just brings up. Yeah, there it is. And if I really need to, and I want to use the touchscreen, I just go to keypad, and there it is. I can enter it manually. Does anyone do that anymore? All right, how did I do?
You're doing very nicely, by the way. I just want to show you, you can touch the phone button on the steering wheel to dial a number or contact. You should use the same hard button to end a call that you used to make the call. Now, when you receive a call, touch the phone button on the steering wheel or on the touchscreen to answer. You've also got the same call start, receive, and end buttons on that steering wheel.
And I'm guessing I can just adjust the volume here, correct?
Yes, you can. You can use the up or down arrows on the steering wheel control or by rotating the volume control, which is right here.
Now, I know you're going to find this tough to believe. I'm a popular guy. What if someone calls me when I'm already on a call?
Well, during the call, if a second call comes in, you'll see a message on the touchscreen. If you accept the new call, the current call is automatically put on hold. Details of both calls display on the screen. Now, to swap back to the first caller, touch the swap icon, and you'll see the contact details on the screen for that. Now, to end the current call, briefly touch End Call. Makes sense, right?
Makes a lot of sense, and I've got this devious little plan. What if I have two people that I don't want to talk to? Can I give them their own call and back out?
Well, you can also just touch Add Call and select the required contact or dial the number if you want to go ahead and make a conference call.
Okay, I love that feature. What about my voicemail messages?
Touch Options.
Okay,
just here.
Options there, yeah.
Nicely done, and followed by voicemail. And when you set it up for the first time, you'll need to enter your voicemail number on the keypad to go ahead and make it ready for you.
Okay, so once you've got it set up, it becomes pretty seamless, and obviously the instructions display on the screen to back up what's intuitive. That's perfect.
You've got it.